Who are you? I'm looking for my son. Your son? Yes.
Oh, shut up, you bitch!
He's shutting me up. Like seriously.
Most of these girls are so desperate. They are so desperate, you know?
Look at her. She looks so hard, guy.
Mama, my own is that Chinelo is carrying my child. I have to go to the city to be with her. I have to see her.
What do you mean by that?
I think it's high time now for me to take a step on this.
Even if I don't want them, they still put themselves at home.
You don't keep promising ladies marriage when you know you're not ready to get married.
There are people who goes around to destroy families.
Mama, I feel like to kill myself.
No, you cannot kill yourself. Chris, you broke us both here at the same time. Really? You want to watch a show? A wine shot, right?
We classy babes and educated babes. We are not violent, okay? We don't get violent with people, but don't push me.
Please, tell me to leave my house.
No money, no love, okay? It's over. Stay away from me.
I know what I can
You are beating more than you can chew. I am the man of this house. And whatever thing I say stands.
That first one is for calling you baby before you beg.
What is my girlfriend?
And then the next one is for addressing me the way she did. She said I am haggard.
This girl is a very rich girl, Mama. Our family's life will have changed.
Getting you problem. So it is all about money.
What is the fate of my baby when Alex is not there for me?
Do to others what you would want them to do to you.
And not only that, she jumps from one man's bed to another. Okay, Horia, I said it.
Can you listen to yourself? I will leave Alex. Please do. But I tell you something, Alex.
You will look for me one day and you will not see me. Bet me.
I hate you. You are a joker.
What has my daughter done to Alex to deserve all these humiliations?
You are a very wicked man. Don't you know that this one is capable of killing all the organs in a man's body? I need my money back.
She suffers from epilepsy.
Hey!
You're pregnant out of wedlock.
Mama, which one is wedlock now?
It's out of wedlock, my dear.
Out of wedlock, Mama.
Hey, don't say that.
If you don't drop it, I'm going to die my life as well.
Hey, Mama, don't do this.
I will kill myself.
What the hell is this? Look at her. Joker!